Today's ticket, Windows error code 0x80070002. The system cannot find the file specified. A user tries to open a file, install an update, run a program, or access a drive, and suddenly Windows says it can't find something it needs. So, what does this error mean? Error 0x80070002 usually means Windows is looking for a file or path that is missing, moved, renamed, deleted, or no longer accessible. Before we start running commands, think like IT support. What was the user doing when the error appeared? Was a file recently moved or deleted? Did this start after a Windows update or software installation? Is the file located on a network or external drive? Could security software be blocking access? Now, let's troubleshoot it. First, check the file path. Make sure the file still exists and hasn't been moved, renamed, or deleted. Next, search for the file using File Explorer. If you find it somewhere else, restore it to the correct location or update the application to use the new path. If the missing file appears to be a Windows system file, open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc//SCANNOW. System File Checker scans protected Windows files and attempts to replace corrupted or missing files. Still getting the error? Run DISM//cleanup-image//. DISM repairs the Windows Component Store that System File Checker may need to complete its repairs. If the file should be on a network or external drive, verify that the drive is connected, accessible, and using the expected drive letter or network path. Now verify the fix. Repeat the exact action that originally produced error 0x80070002. If Windows finds the file and the operation completes successfully, the issue is resolved. If the error continues, check Event Viewer and determine exactly which file or path Windows is trying to access before escalating the ticket. And how do we prevent it? Keep Windows updated, avoid moving or deleting system and application files, maintain reliable network and external drive connections, and create a restore point before making major system changes. Remember, don't immediately repair Windows just because you see an error code. Start with the simplest question. What file is Windows looking for and where is it supposed to be? Find the cause, apply the right fix, verify the result. That's IT troubleshooting, step by step.